So how do you set a custom name for your hotspot on the iPad? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So if you have this SIM card in your iPad and you want to share the connection, it all works the same on the iPhone as well. Well, the name of the hotspot network is also the name of your iPad or iPhone, right? So you need to find it in the general section, tap on about, and at the top of the list, we have the name, right? So it's not the name of the owner, but the name of the actual device. And you can choose it to be anything you want. Like, of course, set it up the way that you know which iPad it is in case you have like more devices. But this name will be visible when sharing internet connection. It will also be visible when sharing files over AirDrop. It will also be the name when you are using the Find My network to locate your devices on a map. So it utilizes or it's being used for multiple different purposes, but one of them, as I say, is the sharing of internet and the hotspot, the name of the network. So this is where you can change it. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. And for more tutorials and videos like this one, well, definitely stay tuned by hitting the subscribe button. So thanks a lot for watching. I'll keep on making more tutorials for you to help you out. So stay tuned and I'll see you later in those videos.